Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, in today's video we'll be diving into TopTalent, a curated NFT showcase on the Solana blockchain available directly on Magic Eden. This project highlights creativity, community, and on-chain ownership with new utilities that go beyond a traditional NFT portfolio. Dear viewers, this content is for educational and informational purpose only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment or NFT purchase. Before we get into the details, here we will see some sort of artwork on this platform. Here you can see, here you can also see some more examples. Why should you work with these NFTs? Because it's provide a platform for high quality art, unique NFTs, broad value of future products, Moon Citizen. Here you can also check out the NFT Moon Citizens. So this platform brings amazing opportunities for you. So here we will discuss about TopTalent. TopTalent is designed as a digital gallery and hub of Web3 activity. While its foundation is in NFT on Solana, it's also expanded into trading, minting, creating, and DeFi features, making it much more than a showcase. By being listed on Magic Eden, TopTalent ensures smooth access and secure trading for its holders. Here we will discuss features and highlights of this. So there we was curated NFT portfolio. Each piece is distinctive, allowing collectors to own creative and rare assets. On-chain security. Every asset is permanently recorded on Solana for verifiable ownership. Marketplace liquidity. Easy trading through Magic Eden's trusted ecosystem. And the next one is community value, a growing space where art meets utility, encouraging collectors to engage in Web3 culture. So now we will discuss its different sections. This is Bitcoin DeFi. DeFi has finally come home to Bitcoin. You can see hello to fork, and here you can check out different features. Insanely fast, crazy cheap, instant, degen activities, tokens on Bitcoin, stable coins at Bitcoins, real Bitcoin, your keys, your coins, always open exit. So these are the amazing feature for which you should say hello to Spark. And on the standout elements of TopTalent is its Bitcoin DeFi integration. This allows holders and users to engage with Bitcoin-based decentralized finance features, opening the door to cross-chain opportunities and expanding beyond the Solana ecosystem. Here you can follow it. And here you can check that tech is good. You can find out the reviews, and here you can check that if you are ready, you can join it. A few things you can do to prepare ahead of time. First one is make sure to have a Spark compatible wallet. Second one is make sure to have BTC in your wallet, and third one is follow it to keep up with the latest. And if you want to learn more, here all the details have been provided. The next feature is swapping. You can check out the details of swapping. So beyond NFTs, TopTalent introduced an integrated swap feature. This enables smooth exchange between Solana-based tokens, giving users flexibility to manage portfolio, rebalance holdings, and explore more DeFi opportunities. And the next one is a play section. You can check TopTalent is also stepping into gaming utilities, offering interactive experience where NFT can be used in play-to-earn or gamified ecosystems. This adds utility, entertainment, and a deeper layer of community engagement. And the next one is NFT resale. There you are, the fast multi-chain pre-sale tool that empowers creators to drive sales and even sell out before mint date, available for Solana, Ordinals, Ethereum, Polygon. Here you can check that this is trusted by big name of industries. You can unleash the power of NFT pre-sales with Magic Eden powered by Helio. And here is a complete suite of payment for the creators. First one is integrated with Launchpad, exclusive access, incentive your community, and a community management. And here you can check raffles, lowest fees. These are the features for which you must join this platform. And here you can check that you can sell or with multi-chain. Pay links, the process have been explained. You can check out the details of ordinals, hassle-free refunds and enhanced trust, and you can check out instant payouts to verified merchants. You can check out the success stories of different users. Their viewers, it provides another amazing feature of minting. Collectors will find minting opportunities with TopTalent, whether it's the release of new digital assets or seasonal drops. The mint function makes it simple to secure pieces early and expand your NFT collection directly on Solana. And the next one is Create. Here you can check out the Create section. TopTalent provides an innovative way to create your own NFT collection. With tools designed for both pre-sales and live launches, creators can bring their projects to life and tap into a ready Web3 audience. This lowers the barrier for newcomers while empowering established creators with new possibilities. You can check out the details about NFT collection, NFT pre-sales, ordinal BTC, and creator dashboards. Dear viewers, if you want to join this, you will have to set up a Solana wallet like Phantom or Soulflare. And then you will have to visit the official Magic Eden profile for TopTalent. And then you will have to explore the available listings, share creativity and attributes. And then you can participate in trading, minting, creating or swapping features, join the play features and explore Bitcoin DeFi utilities. So here you can see that you will have to enter your email and then you can connect your wallets. So here you can also check out the available wallets. So here you can see Magic Eden, MetaMask to Phantom, Quantum and many more wallets have been provided that is compatible to it. So by following these instructions, you can sign up your account and can join this platform. Their viewers, TopTalent is more than an NFT showcase. It's a multi-utility hub combining creativity, trading, minting, creating, gaming, and DeFi into one ecosystem. It's an evolving project where collectors, creators, and traders can all find their space. You will find all relevant links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out and explore TopTalent for yourself. And if this video brought you value, remember to like and share it with others. Stay tuned for more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and join us on this journey into the future of NFT and Web3. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.